know. I don't like it, bro. I don't like it, bro. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this, bro. I can't do it. It gotta be another way. I can't do it, bro.
What's the problem, bro?
I can't get this shit up my head, bro. I can't get this shit up my head, gang. It's right here, but I can't get it on paper, bro. I can't get it on paper, bro. I can't.
Just a little too close, bro.
Bro, my fault, bro. I probably got something on your face, bro.
Don't even,
My fault, bro.
don't worry about all that, bro. Look, come
What,
over here with me, bro.
What?
Come over here.
Damn, bro. That's hard. That's a hard design.
Yeah.
How you do that?
Look at this right here.
That's real?
Sample.
What
right
the
here.
fuck? Bro. Are you serious?
Yeah.
The same thing that's in there?
Yes.
Are you serious, bro?
ThreadLab.
You know what this means, bro?
Calm down.
We about to get rich.
Calm
Bro,
down.
we about to get rich,
Calm
bro.
down. ThreadLab, bro. Calm down.
What's that?
ThreadLab. 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 You could redesign anything.
A giraffe?
Yes, a giraffe, bro, but why a giraffe?
I mean, bro, who don't love giraffes? They got long necks.
They do. But like I was saying, bro, you can get the SVG,
Okay.
full vector pack, put it in Procreate, Illustrator, whatever you want to do. Reuse the designs infinitely, like quite literally.
So I could take a giraffe and a donkey, put them together.
Why
On a donkey.
a donkey?
Bro, who don't love donkeys? I'm Egyptian. I used to ride
You
them.
didn't even say donkey right.
Bro, a donkey? How do you want me to